Welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today I'm going to make the Chinese-style cucumber salad, dragon cucumber salad. Let's get started. Eight mini cucumbers. This cold dish is pretty simple and we use for appetizer. The cutting method is the key point of this video. Wash the cucumbers. Use kitchen towel to absorb water. Use a pair of chopsticks to hold a cucumber on each side. Knife towards to the front along 45 degrees. Cut depth must be more than half diameter of the cucumber. Don't cut it off, so the cucumber will still be connected. Flip over, cut it the same way on the other side. Sprinkle salt. Set it aside about 5 minutes. Prepare a plastic food bag. Drain off the cucumber juice, then put them in the bag. Add the diced hot Thai chili about 1 tablespoon. Sliced garlic about 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You may use the vinegar instead. Press the bag, roll it, eliminate the air, and seal the bag. Put it to refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. This cold dish opened up your appetite immediately. It just takes a few minutes to prepare and can serve after 30 minutes. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.